In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word 365 and restore the classic light theme. If dark mode was helpful for a while, but you're ready to bring back the bright, familiar look, this will only take a moment. Start by opening Word and heading to the top left corner. Click File to open the Backstage view. This is the area where you handle settings and account details. Once you're there, look down the left-hand side and scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Account. Go ahead and select Account. On the Account page, you'll notice two appearance-related options. One is called Office Background, which controls decorative patterns behind the ribbon. That isn't what we need. Right below it, you'll find Office Theme, which controls the overall color scheme for Word and other Office apps. If your theme is currently set to black, that's what's giving you dark mode. Click the Office Theme drop-down. You can preview gray if you're curious. It's a softer, neutral look that some people prefer. You'll also see Colorful, which keeps a touch of color in the ribbon. However, if you want to return to the classic bright appearance, choose White. White is the factory default and restores that clean, light interface most people expect from Word. Once you select White, press the Escape key to exit the Backstage view and jump back into your document. You should see the change immediately. Your screen will brighten and dark mode will be turned off. That's it. You've successfully disabled dark mode. A quick recap so it sticks. Open File, select Account, find Office Theme, and choose the look you prefer. If you want the traditional light experience, white is the best choice. Colorful won't change much if you're focused on maximizing brightness, and gray is a middle ground if you like a toned-down interface without going fully dark. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. The Office theme setting is applied across your Microsoft 365 apps, so choosing white in Word will also bring a lighter look to apps like Excel and PowerPoint. If you don't see the change right away, make sure you selected Office theme and not Office background, and then return to your document to confirm. If you found this walkthrough helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss new tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed, bright Word workspace.